sweet tweeted bird, tiny wings, swift flight, chirping songs, morning light, feathers blue with brownish hue, tweeted bird, a sight anew. In gardens, parks, or trees so tall, it flits and flutters, one and all, collecting seeds with busy pace, and spreading joy with every face. Its tweet, a melody so sweet, echoes through the streets to meet, a symbol of social delight, connecting worlds day and night. With every chirp, a story told, of friendship young and old. The tweeted bird, a wondrous sight, spreading love with morning light. With every chirp, a story told, of friendship young and old. The tweeted bird, a wondrous sight, spreading love with morning light.